Parkour, baby! Parkour! Parkour!
Switch the time clock in my head. Last name?
Jones. Worse than the airport.
At least they added 2 this time, so it's a little faster.
So here's our first look at the Toothsome Chocolate Factory. Used to be the NBA restaurant, but now it's gonna be a chocolate restaurant. This is so funny, you've got all these people over here and then no one over here.
In Islands of Adventure. It's gonna do a lot of things in Island. And Hope is almost finished.
I'm so excited!
It comes in summer.
This person is way more excited, right?
Look at Hulk. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it is amazingly green. Not all faded like it was before. But they completed it all the way back to the chute. I don't know when they're gonna be opening it. Hopefully soon. They got the fire up and running now. Look at the fire. Fire.
We're all just a little bit excited about King Kong opening this summer. Are you guys excited about it? Even Hunter got an awesome photo. But now we're gonna go to Camp Jurassic and climb around and see if we can get some better footage for you guys.
Hey guys, so we're here with Thetimtracker and Thetimtracker.
Hi!
What's your favorite ride?
Here in this park, I think my favorite ride is gonna have to be Jurassic Park. Can we ride Jurassic Park with you? Yeah?
I like Forbidden Journey. I also like Pteranodon Flyers, which is like right over top of us.
Oh yeah.
Those rides are awesome.
Yes.
Let's ride them. I also like the I can't say it.
I think it's called Pteranodon Flyers. I always say Pteranodon because it sounds funny. I do that with a lot of rides. Like I call Transformers Transmorphers. Don't ever listen to me on names of rides.
Here's the view from up by Pteranodon Flyers. Looks about the same as last time. A little more theming done.
So we came up and it looks like the fire is turned off now. Like I don't know if you can see.
You can see the King Kong skull inside there. How amazing do these mountains look?
Oh, look, they put up a little border so you can't like stand here and block traffic anymore. You can still see them in the distance though. Kelly was so excited to get one of these ball thingies. You used to have one, right? Yeah. Or Hunter had one. Hunter had a... Yeah. So if you can see, it's just this little rubber ball that's on a bungee cord.
And it can also light up.
Alright, so you're gonna untwine it. So Kelly spent his money on this little trinket. Alright, let's see it, dude.
Yeah, see, it lights up.
Oh, it does light up, cool. Universal souvenirs, you gotta love it. Woohoo! I think Hopper is gonna go nuts over this. Oh, we're gonna take out some guests. It's so crazy to leave one island and go to another island that is completely different. So we're leaving Jurassic Park to go into Hogsmeade. We're going through Wizarding World of Harry Potter, passing butterbeer. Who wants a butterbeer? Me! Oh look, more butterbeer! But then as I say, look at all these people waiting in line, and all I have to do is go to the bar and there's no wait.
Oh, sorry, I got to get the Minion shirt. Dude, I love Minions. Who's your favorite Minion? Uh-oh. So, the kid in the Minion shirt, what's your name? Kevin. Kevin, where are you from? You don't know where you're from? I can help you. Look down. That's Earth.
Well, we're gonna go get lunch. We are going to go to City Walk. Sorry, we're gonna go to City Walk, and we don't know what we're gonna eat. I really hope it's going to be cowfish because we haven't been to cowfish in forever.
Oh, we are with the trackers and they do like cowfish, so that is possible.
And cowfish is like the best restaurant ever made. Just saying. They have awesome stuff. I really like their California rolls. They have awesome California rolls. And the little treat in the kids menu is awesome. And then they have like the sandwich thing, like a burger with bananas and peanut butter, and it's amazing. I absolutely love it. Mom gets it sometimes, and I'm just addicted to it. I like to get some every time Mom gets it.
We have a water explosion! Kelly, I'm just saying that is hysterical. It's like you're holding a Star Wars baby. It's a Star Wars baby bag. Lives on. That pretty much is like the Jones family. An adventure every day. So this is gonna keep them occupied, or we're gonna have to make a trip to the emergency room, one or the other. Let's see it, Kelly. Yeah, someone's gonna get hurt by it. We are heading to Breadbox for lunch, and Breadbox has Twinkies.
I want to try them.
Hunter, you've never had a Twinkie? Like ever?
Never.
Well, we may have to try one. This way! To Breadbox! Lunch was delicious at Breadbox, so now we are over at Universal Studios, and it's busy. Despicable Me, 70-minute wait. I'm so excited! Hello, Kitty! All right, so is Miss Jen more excited than you are? Who's more excited? I think Miss Jen's more excited. Look at that! Hi, Hello Kitty! I think we're good, thank you. We're here with Hello Kitty. You want to go say hi? She's so cute! And look at the candy in her hair. I love it. Cute. All right, Hunter, on pose? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Oh, and look at the cupcakes in her skirts. I love it. So cute. Thank you. So if you go into the Hello Kitty store, you can actually get a little Hello Kitty hat. Look how cute this is. Universal moments. Hashtag Hello Kitty. That's so cute. We are going into the prop room.
These are for sale.
Oh, I think those are a little creepy. What do you think?
These are for sale.
So $1,500. You can have these snakes at your house. Look at all the fun, kooky stuff that you can buy and take home from Universal. Oh my gosh, you can buy the cow!
Looks like the cow's been the body.
It's the twister cow!
Oh, big fork!
Oh, look at the Velociraptor sign. Literally all this stuff is stuff from Universal that have been in rides and attractions and special events, which is kind of fun. A giant Woody Woodpecker. Is he for sale too? Let's see. I don't see a price tag for him.
It'll be funny if he's on.
He is cool though. I bet you can buy him. Look at that one. I like it. Marvelous, darling. Marvelous.
You don't even need to do this.
Gotcha.
Stormtrooper, where we're going?
What do you guys think? Did she nail it? I think she nailed it.
What was that? The Weasley's wildfire whiz-bangs. Fireworks from my brother's friend George.
Elvis, what are you doing here?
This is my office, Lord. The question is, what are you doing here?
I was about to show our new client to the world. I was just getting the keys.
Well, I moved them. All you have to do is ask. Accio keys.
How did you get in here? We haven't seen
Well,
you.
don't let me keep you from your tour. I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on my way. You haven't seen me. Actually, if you don't mind, I'll join you on your tour. We can all leave together. I'll meet you at your cart.
We're waiting for space to open up on the ride. They're not going to close the door, he just said, until there's space for us.
We're losing ourselves in the music at the moment. We're going down the 9 Mile.
We were stuck inside the elevator at Gringotts.
Whoop!
Pretty hot.
When YouTubers get stuck in the Gringotts elevator.
We can leave. Don't
demetrius. Perhaps a little dose of pain to help you remember. We'll get you out of here! Is everyone okay? Hope you still want to open an account. After all, it's the safest place on earth.
Alright, we gotta roll.
Oh.
Yeah, look at you.
What was that jump thing? Does that help?
Just for fun. Wow.
And back up.
Now spin around.
Now do a backflip.
Front handspring.
Do it handstand.
Cartwheel.
Can she do 3 at a time?
Yes.
Ooh. So we found a circus child. She can do 40 hula-hoops at one
I just
time.
realized these are no gear.
Oh, she's gonna do 4 at a time?
Oh yeah, let's
my
see all
goodness
four, all
gracious.
4.
This is high quality entertainment.
It should be an Olympic sport.
Yeah, look
Holy
at it.
macaroni.
Yeah, this is
It's walking so far.
That's pretty good, Hunter.
It was a fun day, but we are off and we will be going to bed when we get home. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.
Bye, Tim. Bye. Okay, so just so you guys know, escalator safety. See, escalator safety. No wheelchairs. Don't bring any wheelchairs on the escalator. That's just good escalator safety. Helping you guys out.
So make sure you give us a like, subscribe if you're new. Keep on dreaming. Love you all. Bye.